Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. I'm Fikri Aulia Pangestu. The number of NPM is 21123010. Tonight I would like to presenting journal by Mr. Agus Purnomo about multi-echelon inventory model for repairable items emergency with lateral transshipments in retail supply chain. Next, abstract. The theory of multi-echelon inventory is one of the core theories in supply chain management, utilizing emergency lateral transshipments between retailers to meet customer demand can be effective for company improvement. This paper presents a multi-echelon inventory model for repairable items continuous review using emergency lateral transshipment. The example in this study case gain a proportion of retail demand fulfilled by stock on hand and average of more than 75%. The proportion of retail demand met by emergency lateral transshipment average no more than 20%. This study case proved that emergency lateral transshipment increased the level of retail demand fulfillment. The result state the calculation, which was initially 75% after using emergency lateral transshipments, retail demand fulfillment rate rose by 20%. Next, introduction. The theory of multi-echelon inventory is one of the core theories in supply chain management. The study is about optimizing inventory level. Analysis of multi-echelon system has a long history in various business. Inventory control multi-echelon system are known to be a challenging research area. The complexity and intractability of the multi-echelon problem, Handley and within 1963 recommend the adoption of single location, single echelon models or inventory system. The problem of multi-echelon multi-channel inventory hasn't developed well. This paper discussed the multi-echelon model with a continuous review system for items that can be repaired with lateral transshipment in the retail supply chain. Next, the model. Here are the picture of the model, and then this model assumes such as follow. First, continuously supervise and supply warehouse inventory to each retail. The demand of each base in a polling group follow as a Poisson distribution with average arrival. Transport time from warehouse to retail is fixed and equal. It assumes all the damaged item can be repaired. Demand that comes first will be provided first. Demand is filled by lateral transshipment. When the warehouse supply inventory to retail and there is an item is damaged, then the damaged item is returned and repaired in warehouse. If all retail from a pooling group has not inventory, the demand will be directed to warehouse. Okay, the result is case with LE. The result is 1.04, S0 is 1, S1 is 1. The first is determine the proportion of demand met by stock on hand. The symbol is beta E. The results of the calculation are presented in table 2 as the journal. Number 2, the expectation determine total back order. The symbol is BI. And then the point of number 2, A, determine the proportion of demand met in warehouse. The symbol is QI. The QI result is 0.02, and B, determine the proportion of demand that is filled with lateral transshipment. The symbol is AI, and then the result is 0.14. Then the amount of the expected value of the number of emergency lateral transshipments per unit of time at pooling group E is, the result is 0.019. So the total number of back order is obtained by using equation. The total equation, the result of the total number of back order is 0.016, and the case with LE 0.04, S0 is 1, S2 is 2. and then determine the proportion of demand met by stock on hand. The symbol is BI. The result of the calculation are present in table 3. You can see on the journal. And then number 2, the expectation determine total back order E, and the symbol is BI. The determine the proportion of demand met in warehouse. The symbol is QI, and then the result is 0. And B, determine the proportion of demand that is filled with emergency lateral transshipments. The symbol is AI, or you can see the A2, and then the result is 0.01. Then the amount of the expected value of the number of emergency lateral transshipments per unit is 0.0012. So the total number of back order is 0.0012. Okay, next discussion. Emergency lateral transshipments used in multi-echelon inventory system to improve service level customer. And then the parameters are important and will be analyzed as a performance measurement, such as follow back order level, because the parameter affect the percentage of service level. In this model, demand at a base is set to back order if case the point A is emergency lateral transshipments, a way to meet demand, the proportion of demand filled by lateral supply. All the base in pooling group has not inventory and only waiting for shipment from the warehouse. Okay, the conclusion based on the sample, the calculation is by using this model, obtain the proportion of retail demand fulfillment immediately from stock on hand is an average of more than 75%. Then the proportion of retail demand is met by emergency lateral transshipment average of no more than 20%. This can be seen. The result of calculation, which was initially 75%, after using emergency lateral transshipments, demand fulfillment rate rose by 20%. Okay, next. The paper is absolutely enlightening me in the whole world of supply chain management, exactly in the inventory management model. For the next author or next paper, they need to combine any factors such as price, uncertainty, condition, and cause effect if we apply this model in another industry. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Geluid